Hello everybody, I'm at Coxsakie State Boat Launch, Coxsakie, New York. I was looking around for a place to do a gear video, which I'm going to be doing very shortly, but I found something interesting which I will do a short video, and that's the noise behind me. Okay, should be any minute now. See what these things do. It'll probably be noisy, so I won't talk. We'll just watch. Okay, well, we're getting started. I go down the boat ramp. Okay, there they come. Don't be noisy. Okay, I guess we'll do a quick walk around this park. Almost lost my Bluetooth again and into the right off of the landing platform there. So we'll take a quick walk around. Kind of a little beach thing here. Today's Sunday, July 30th maybe, and very few boats, very few people. So there's the park, and they have a gazebo there where they do shows, I think once a week. I'll just walk to the end and that's it. So this show. different boats along the river. Oh, more graffiti on these. Wow, a lot. Sloop, container ship. Yeah, we see many of these. Sailboats. I don't see that many sailboats. Canal boat. Tugboat. Galleon. And then you get this. And at the end is another, that's where you can park your boat, because this is kind of like a little town, and there's some bars and cafes and things there. And that'll be about it. This will be a short video. Took most time just watching them guys set up. So take it easy. I'm going to be doing a gear video, what I use on a day hike. That should be coming out soon.